may mga placement sa automatic na magnet sa pera?
Gifts at generosity mula sa ibang tao? Check natin yan.
Hindi dahil sa nanghihingi ka, ha? Dahil sa energy mo mismo. Yung tipong kahit wala kang sabihin, people want to give you. Kung naranasan mo na yan, this video is for you.
So today, pag-usapan natin yung Venus placements at 8th house energy na link sa pagiging receiving energy. Yung aura mo na attractive hindi lang sa love, kundi pati sa money, support at blessings galing sa iba. Pero reminder, hindi ito automatic na yayaman ka agad. It means you have the energetic potential to receive. Depende pa rin sa buong chart mo at actions mo. Venus in Taurus, ito yung classic na soft life energy. Natural kang appealing, hindi pilit, hindi loud, pero luxurious ang aura mo. People feel good around you, kaya gusto ka na lang i-spoil. Venus in second house, ito yung placement ng value magnet. Yung presence mo mismo parang may presyo in a good way. People associate you with worth, kaya kusa silang nagbibigay. Venus degree sa 2 degree, 14 degree at 26 degree, ito yung tinatawag na money degrees. Kapag nandito ang Venus mo, may tendency na align ka sa abundance frequency. Ito naman yung mas intense. Venus in Scorpio, magnetic ka pero hindi obvious yung attraction mo. Deep, emotional, almost hypnotic. People don't just like you. They get obsessed and sometimes they express that through giving. Venus in 8th house, ito yung pinaka-direct. Money comes through others. Gifts, support, financial help. Pero kapalit nito, emotional depth at vulnerability. Jupiter in 8th house, ito yung lucky placements. Parang may protection ka pagdating sa shared resources. Minsan, kahit wala kang effort, may dumarating na tulong. Neptune in 8th house, ito naman. Seductive aura, parang dreamy ka. People project fantasies onto you, kaya gusto ka nilang bigyan. Pluto in 8th house, yung presence mo nagtitrigger ng transformation sa iba. And dahil doon, they feel pulled to invest you emotionally or financially. Lot of fortune in the 8th house, ito yung blessing through others, opportunities, gifts, or luck na nanggagaling sa connection. Venus in Libra, charming, graceful, balance. You know how to make people feel seen, kaya they want to give back to you. Venus sextile, trine, conjunct Pluto, ito yung magnetic attraction on steroids, hindi lang physical, psychologically. People feel deeply drawn to you and sometimes they show it through resources. Hindi porket may ganitong placements ka, ibig sabihin automatic may nagbibigay na sa'yo araw-araw. These placements is potential to receive. Pero kailangan mo pa rin ng self-worth, boundaries, alignment sa energy mo. Kasi kung hindi, pwede din itong mag-manifest as dependency, manipulation, or imbalance. Ang totoo, hindi pera ang hinahabol na energy na to, connection. When people feel something real from you, beauty, depth, presence, they naturally want to give. Anong Venus sign mo or may 8th house placements ka ba? And experience mo na ba na people just give to you? Follow for more real astrology breakdowns, hindi lang aesthetic, kundi may lalim.